So how's your patient in room 1?
Oh, it's doing great, but I have this medical enigma that I want you to help me to figure it out.
Oh, sure, tell me.
I gave the patient a drug and I'm monitoring the behavior in the bloodstream. So I gave the drug when time was greater or equal than 0, and the concentration is in milligrams per liter. So I made this equation to represent how the drug behaves. So what I want to know when is going to be in the body the highest concentration of the drug in the patient. So that's like the enigma.
Oh sure, I can help you. Let's solve it. So using the graph, we came to the conclusion that we have to substitute 1 in t. So and our final result would be 2.50.
In 2.50 is where the drug is going to reach its highest in the patient bloodstream. So at 2.50 milligrams per liter.
Doctor, what happens to the drug after a long period of time?
Well, the drug decreases to 0.
But why, doctor?
Because in the formula, the numerator is always going to be greater than the denominator.
Doctor, the patient wants to know how long she's going to be under the effects of the drug.
So we're going to explain you how. Are you ready?
Yes. We're going to explain you where the concentration is less than or equal and 0.3. Okay, so we're going to start to put 5t, that is less than or equal 0.3. Then we're going to pass this one to this side and make it equal to 0. Also, we're going to use the rules for the inequalities, and we're going to put another 0.3 in this side. Then we're going to multiply it by a minus sign to make t squared to make it positive. And we're going to change the signs to greater than or equal to 0. So after this process, we're going to use the general formula, where this is A, B, and C. So the general formula is this one. We're going to substitute using these 3 values in the formula. So after we solve the operation, we know that we can have 2 possible values. So when t is a subtraction and when t is an addition. In the subtraction is a value that is less than 1, so this cannot be the result. So we get to the conclusion that the drug will drop below 0.3 milligrams per liter of blood after 16.61 hours.
So, do you have any question?
Am I gonna die?
Probably.
Okay.
So doctor, now that we know all the facts that we have to know in order to make a successful operation, we're going to administrate the drug. Okay, she's ready. Are you ready, doctor?
Yes, let's start. Oh, damn.
First, we read the problem and analyze the questions.
Therefore, we reach to the conclusion that first we must graph the function.
In order to know where was the highest concentration of drug.
To answer question 1, we substitute C of 1 in the given formula.
Then, we obtain the value of 2.50.
Which in the graph shows clearly that is the highest concentration.
To solve question 2, we based on the graph and we reached to the conclusion that after a long period of time, the drug concentration decreases to 0.
And to solve the last question, we use inequalities and then we use the general formula to find the zeros of the function.
Then, we chat about the topic and do a little research to finally make the conclusion.